Today I'm gonna teach you how to make your RS3M 2020 amazing. Firstly, adjust your spring compression system. Set the spring compression to your liking by using the tool that comes along with the cube. Mine is at the 6th clip. Next, double up magnets. The magnet strength for the RS3M is quite weak. Adding magnets to the cube gives a more stable feel. It can also reduce lockups that was caused by the cube's deformation due to the weak magnets. After that, lubricate the cube with 50K. 50K gives a smooth and controllable feel to the cube. If you want the cube to be fast, apply a little amount of lube. On the other hand, apply a generous amount of lube if you would like your cube to be slower. Lastly, break in the cube. Every cube needs breaking in after lubing. This process can be done by solving the cube over and over again. Your cube should feel better after 100 to 200 solves. Thanks for watching. I hope you like your new RS3M 2020 cube. I'll see you in the next one.